Okay. I finished my coffee. This is the first one. Also, I had a donut, and it's already 15 minutes to 9 o'clock, and I'm going to prepare my second coffee because the first coffee I had was around 5:30. You 6, 7, 8, 9, no, 4 hours ago. Eh, I don't know. Yeah, yesterday Kuya Ruel and Ate Au they come here. Also Inigo. Kuya Ruel and Ate Au they are coming from Sydney. Yeah, we eat here. They bought KFC and we eat it here. I'm lazy. As you remember, I have some meat here. I have this pork, I have this beef, and I have chicken. But I am lazy to cook because I am busy in my computer. Yeah, also I am thinking of paying my house rent today. And I want to pay like normal, $250. But actually they told me before just pay $100 in every first day of the month. I don't feel good for not paying. Yeah, I feel that they also need money, and I feel that I have enough. Yeah, so I'm going to pay. Yeah, I'll keep it there. They are not outside. I think they are having a coffee somewhere outside. And I'll keep on editing this video. Very cold. I know it is very hot in the Philippines. I just read the message, a Facebook post that they are waking up with a very sweaty clothing, shirt, and it's very different here in Australia. Here in Australia, you only sweat when you work really hard. Yeah, like in the kitchen during summer, you really get so much sweating. Or when you are working out, exercising, you get really sweating. But if you are just sitting like this, normal, even in the summer, you don't really get so much sweat. Yeah. But being in the very cold like this is also not comfortable. But I don't know which one is better. Which one do you prefer? Yeah, you prepare something like this cold? I don't know. I don't know. For me, maybe I don't know. Yeah, I prefer it to be like this. But I prefer the summer here in Australia. Yeah, I prefer the summer here in Australia than the winter. Okay, I will continue that editing later. I'm really hungry. So we're going to cook the chicken, just a fry. This is just everywhere. So last night I eat instant noodles, but I didn't use this. Instead I used the Japanese one. Yeah, we're going to fry 3 pieces of this. Oh, I don't have oil. Okay, I already took some salt. Already put it here. Marinating it already. Oh, I have an idea. I'm going to put this. Should I put also the tomato? No. Yeah, we put everything. No problem. And we add a little more of this garlic. Oh. I need to wash this one. When you are a cook, a chef, you don't really care what you eat, because we believe that as long as the food is safe to eat, we cook it in any way. okay. Maybe I put more soy sauce. Oh, I didn't notice that. A little more of soy sauce. Pepper. It's dirty. How can I do that? Awesome. And I still have this in the coming days, maybe next week or tomorrow. Outside is really good, and you notice that the grass are already cut. Yeah, the neighbor, they cut it with lawnmower. You know, meat like yeah, that one, chicken meat, pork meat, beef meat. Yeah, if you add just right salt, would be delicious already. I have guests yesterday. Inigo and Kuya Ruel and Ate Au was here yesterday. Yeah, we eat KFC. We had the coffee and they had the chat. You know, I was very happy yesterday because Inigo and Kuya Ruel, they had a really nice conversation. Yeah, I was just here listening, quiet. I'm always like that. Yeah. And the good thing about Kuya Ruel and Inigo, they are really can relate with every topic that they are discussing. Yeah, about cars, about motorcycle, and about the life in the Philippines and about the life here in Australia. I really enjoy just listening to them having a conversation. Really nice. And I'm going to switch it up now. I prefer to use this because this one I can save electricity, you know. But I still use the vacuum cleaner. I also use the vacuum cleaner. Instead of using the dustpan, I use the vacuum cleaner. Okay, done. Is it a burn or what? It's good. I like it this way. That is my rice. I want to get that color of the rice. Yeah, because that is going to be a flavor. Not enough color, so we're going to put some soy sauce. Yeah, if you see something like that, clean it right away because if you keep it there, it will last longer and will be difficult to clean in the future. So, bon appetit. Okay, so yeah, I went outside. Wait, it's already 11, 15 minutes. So I went outside to pay for my house rent because I feel like paying. And yeah, $250 every week. And I give the $250 as my landlord said, what is that? It's not yet the first of the month. So they give me back the 100. It's good. Okay, we are going to cook maybe spaghetti. We're going to cook spaghetti. I know how to make a Italian spaghetti sauce, but not Filipino spaghetti sauce. Because you know the Filipino spaghetti sauce, they are sweet. Not very sweet, but yeah, there's the sugar taste in the Filipino spaghetti. And aside from that, the Filipino spaghetti is lighter. Yeah, because you know the Italian spaghetti is really heavy. If you eat less, you get full easily. With the Filipino spaghetti, you eat less and you want more. Yeah, it's like that.